the car's done. It's been dynoed, it's been tested. We're out here at Horse Thief, which is a track I've wanted to come to for a long time. I'm just ready to drive this thing. So we had a good couple laps this morning. We did a bit of a grip session. Car worked out really good. It was really quick. We even left the chase cameras. So the alignment was perfect for that. But we're gonna switch it and get over to a little bit of a drift setup. So Graham from Wonderliner is helping me out. We're gonna do a quick setup and get it back out there and try a few new things. Who needs brakes? Nobody. I don't know if I did this. Yeah, I did. It's my fault entirely. The morning started out pretty good. New track to me, new car for me, but starting to get a hang of it. I had a couple good rips, so started getting a real good feel for it. And then the brakes came apart. These factory M3 brakes, probably my fault because the bolt backed out due to vibration and then had fallen back and snapped off. So out with that, no more rear brakes. We've capped them off, so we just have the front and then the Willwood out back, which is basically what I was using for the whole last run, was just to slow it down. So plan of attack, get some new tires on it. We figured out the alignment pretty well, but we're gonna have to make a few small adjustments. We use a Wonderliner, but BFG's held on real good. We got a ton of grip on these Rival S's. They're really good, actually. The entire time they held on until the very end where it started to get corded, but they provide quite a bit of grip, and actually got so many more runs than I thought I would. Like, normally I don't get that many runs out of a set of sticky tires like this, so. Sorry, I'll be back. So I brought my friend drifting. Okay, so the car's been running great. I've got it pretty much dialed, but I'm getting bored by myself. Brought my friend Will. Hi, Will.
Hey, Dan.
Will was driving a little bit early today, and his car looked super sweet before he got here.
His role is the man who breaks arrow on his first lap.
Now it looks less sweet, but I'm having more fun driving.
Yeah, so now we can drive together.
Yeah.
I moved here because I wanted to drive this track, like no joke. For real. That's why I wanted to move here, and I've made it here.
So today's like dream come true?
It's dream come true. I had that brake failure earlier, so I'm just on front brakes. The pedal's really hard right now, so I can't really slow down. I can't brake.
The Willwood rear calipers.
The Willwood saving my life, yeah. Let's go do it together. Dude, I'm glad you didn't have a bumper on the rear.
Because it would be gone?
Because that transfer up there, like I was
Grazing?
right there.
Yeah.
And I can't see I can't see the end of the car.
I know that now from being in there. You can like catch the throttle bodies for like a little bit of reference, and then you're like, I think math-wise, I got
another 2 feet, 3 feet.
I can hear it though.
Yeah.
Like,
you can hear the intakes?
Yeah, we can hear the intakes, but I can hear your throttle.
Oh.
Behind me.
How did I lose a screw? From the license plate.
I don't know.
Dude, it was hanging halfway down at some point too.
Really?
It looked pretty rad.
I gotta get these tires off of here. We should get replacing.
Yeah, let's get on that so we can come drive again, actually.
I know.
All right, later, dude.
Crazy day. Car is insane. It needs a little refinement, but I'm just in love with it. From the start of this project to the end, what a transformation. This thing's insane. The power level from everything we've gotten from it from Edelbrock and Haltech, like way more power than I've ever had. Suspension and brakes work great. Just needs a little bit of refinement. There's a little daylight left and I still have a little bit of tire left, so I'm just gonna go keep driving.